In my today's tutorial, I will teach you how to make this very easy, cute little crochet bow. It is beginners friendly, made with double crochet stitches. Hi, I'm Shaburi from hookedandloops.com. I make various kind of crafts in my channel. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. Take any yarn of your choice. I have taken a 4-ply acrylic yarn and made a slip knot with it, and then inserted the hook in it. I have used a 3mm crochet hook, and then we will be making the foundation chains. For that I made a total of 12 chains. Make as many number of chains as you want. And then we will begin the first round with a chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. This is the first double crochet stitch of this round. We will insert our hook in the 5th chain from the hook and do 1 double crochet there. So this is the second double crochet stitch of this round, and similarly we will be doing 1 double crochet in each of the remaining chains of the foundation chains. Okay, so the first round contains chain 3 and 11 double crochets. We will quickly complete this round. It's done, and then we will begin the next round with a chain 3 again. Chain 3 is the first double crochet stitch of the second round. Then we will be doing 1 double crochet in each and every stitch of the last round. In this manner we will quickly complete this round. Remember that the last double crochet stitch of this round will be in the 3rd chain of the starting chain 3 of the previous round. Okay, don't skip this last stitch. And then we will begin the next round with a chain 3 and continue as earlier, that is in each and every stitch we will be doing 1 double crochet. Each round contains chain 3 plus 11 double crochet stitches. So 3 rounds are done. In the same manner we will be doing 13 more rounds, that is we are going to have 16 rounds of such double crochet stitches. So when you have reached your desired length, just fold your bow in this manner, and now we will be joining the 2 ends of the bow. So at first, after the last double crochet stitch of the last row, we will quickly do a chain 1, and then we will fold our rectangular piece in this manner, and we will insert our hook in the last double crochet stitch of the last round and the 12th chain of the foundation chains that we made. Okay, in this manner, and we will do a slip stitch there. Similarly, we will insert our hook in the next stitch in the front and also in the back side like this, and join them with slip stitches. So we will join each and every stitch of both the ends of the rectangular strap using slip stitches. Join them uniformly. So this is the last stitch. We will quickly join them, and then at the end we will do a chain 1 and cut our yarn. So the main body of the bow is now ready. We will weave in the loose ends now. Cut out the extra yarn and weave them in, and then we will turn our work inside out in this manner. Make sure that the joint portion is in the center in this like this. Now we will be making the circular ring. We made a slip knot, inserted the hook in it and made a total of 15 chains. Make as many number of chains as you want depending on the diameter of your ring. Now for the width of my bow, 15 chains were enough. We will now form a ring by closing it by doing a slip stitch in the first chain in this manner, and then we will do a chain 1 to secure the slip stitch. We will begin the first round by doing one single crochet stitch in the same stitch where we slip stitch. Just insert your hook in the chains, draw the yarn and do a single crochet, and we will continue doing one single crochet in each and every chain in this manner. Just insert your hook in the chains, draw the yarn and do single crochet stitches. We will quickly complete this round of single crochet stitches, and at the end we will join by doing a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch followed by chain 1, and we will begin the next round. In the same stitch where you slip stitched, just do a single crochet stitch there, and also one single crochet in each and every remaining stitches of the last round. And at the end, as usual, we will be doing a slip stitch followed by chain 1, and we will do one more round of single crochet stitches. Based on your wish, make as many number of rounds as you want depending on the thickness of the ring you want. At the end, just join by doing a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch followed by chain 1, and just cut the yarn. We will weave in the loose ends and take the inside part out in this manner. So this central ring is also ready. We will fold our bow in this fashion and insert it into the ring like this. Don't make the ring too tight, and our cute little bow is now ready. It is perfect and easy to make, isn't this? Just make your own bow and flaunt them and get it ready for your bags, clips, headbands and keychains. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries, and also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. And thank you and have a great day, and subscribe to my channel.